If your Graco Simple Sway Baby Swing suddenly stops moving or fails to power on, the issue is usually related to power supply, battery placement, or the swing's internal safety sensors. This swing relies on a steady power source and proper seat alignment to operate correctly. When one of these elements is disrupted, the swing may appear completely unresponsive. Fortunately, most problems can be resolved quickly with a few basic checks before considering repairs. Try these. Step 1. Check the power source by ensuring the AC adapter is firmly connected or the batteries are properly installed. Step 2. Turn the swing off and back on using the control panel to reset the electronics. Step 3. Inspect the seat and harness area to make sure nothing is blocking the swing's movement. Step 4. Verify the seat is correctly locked into the frame, as the swing may not run if it's misaligned. Step 5. Test the swing at a low speed setting first, then gradually increase the speed to confirm it works normally.